Hi, Dad here. I'm going to unbox a Mac Mini with the M1 chip with 512 gigabytes of storage and 16 gigs of RAM. I've heard great things about this thing. My son's going to help me here. He hasn't really unboxed anything before. And I'll do a video after this about how it's running. Am I achy? What's aching today? A little headache, but not much. Thank you very much. Well, let's get right to it.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Oh, there's something here.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Let's close this up.
Folks, remember, knife safety.
Yes, you know, he was in a knife safety class in his outdoor camp here in southern Vermont, and he got certified to use a knife after a while. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
I've seen YouTube videos of with mainly by ZHC, and he unboxes a lot of stuff, so I sort of know how to do it.
All right, you do it. You go, boy.
So let's see.
I think I cut some of it, but let's see. Oh, here. And don't pull towards you too much. Why don't you pull away from you? Like this. Away from you. Like this. So if you slip, it goes away from you. Okay?
Remember, this is a MacBook Mini. You don't want to chop it in half.
Can you lift that? Oh, let's pull that all off. We don't need. There you go. All right. It's big. But I need something to use the high resolution camera. Whoa. And see what I'm seeing with the high resolution camera, so I'm going to think about using a mirror. That's what I'm talking about.
Designed by Apple in California.
Why is... Oh.
Ooh. And we have this crazy thing that God knows what it is. It looks like a power cord, human.
What are you, Russian?
Here, Caleb.
Oh, thank you, honey. Food.
Really good.
Food. Chili?
It's very good. How do you open this?
You don't open it. That's it.
That's boring.
Monitor. You've got your Ethernet,
Keyboard.
USB-C, HDMI, USB.
What the?
Power.
Oh my god.
Well, we'll do another video about this booting up. I use Final Cut Pro a lot for this. My brother got a $680 one, and he said it was screaming. So what I did is I traded in my 2017 MacBook Pro.
Why would he ever do that?
Because I got $850 for it. So this is a $250 computer. I know you'll miss it. You wanted to take it to college, but you have so many years till college.
I don't care.
What else do we have? Can you take that up? What's this?
It just said designed by Apple in California, like I showed you earlier.
What are you, Russian? All right.
What are you, French? Apple MacBook Mini. Let's see how you work.
Oh, yeah. That's all.
Welcome to our MacBook Mini. Apple is so cute. MacBook Mini. French astronomer. Folks, can you read this? It says blah, 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 blah. Wow.
What do you think?
Oh, I think it didn't occur like I wanted it to. I
What
thought it
were
was
you
a
expecting?
I thought it was like a mini computer.
It is.
It's not. You don't open it and there's a bunch of keys and a big screen.
Under this keyboard here is a computer. If I take just the computer under this keyboard, and I get rid of the keyboard and the screen of my laptop, I'm left with a computer. And the Mac Mini is that computer. How do you want to close this out?
French astronomers don't have this technology.
Where did you get French astronomers from?
You have a French accent.
No, you have a French accent.
You have a Russian accent then.
No, you had a Russian accent.
When you have an Australian accent.
I don't have any accent.
Yes, you do. He's crazy.
How are we going to close this out with some gusto?
Go and get a cappuccino.
Go and get a cappuccino? I don't know. My son's become French. Miranda, that's not a computer. It's a box.